we will to explain about material, interacting and empathizing with the others, communicate across culture, and understanding how culture influence communication. Okay, I'm Sofia Maru Sutonga as moderator and speaker 1, and my partner Devina Anastasia as speaker 2, and Deka Musdalifwa as speaker 3. Okay, the first material will be presented by me. 1. Interaction and empathy with the other, communicate across culture. A. Interacting with the others. Definition of the interaction. Interaction is the process by which individuals communicate with the each other and the build a relationship. The influence both the verbal and non-verbal communication. Next, key components. 1. Active listening. Showing full the attention to the speaker by the providing appropriate feedback. 2. Use of the body language. Facial expression as context and body movement that support verbal communication. And the last, provide appropriate response. A response that is relevant and sensitive to the context and the emotion of the other person. Okay, the next material will be presented by Devina Anastasia. Devina Anastasia, time is yours.
Okay, be empathizing with others. Definition of empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and feel the feelings of others and to show concern for their experiences. Why empathy is important? One is to building relationship. Empathy helps create closeness and the mutual trust. 2 is improved communication. Understand the feelings of others facilitates more effective communication. 3 is reduce conflict. To understand other person's perspective can prevent misunderstanding and conflict. Next option is about C. Communicate across cultures. Definition of intercultural communication. Intercultural communication involves of exchange of information between individuals from different cultural backgrounds. There are some strategies for communicating effectively. 1 is culture awareness. Knowing the norms and value of the other's culture to adopt interaction. 2. Avoid the stereotype, not making assumption based on the culture background. 3 is using clear language, avoiding terms to expression they may not be understood by people from other cultures. 2. Understanding how culture influence communication. How culture influence communication? So, what is a culture? Culture consists of values, norms, practice that people shape the way individuals behave and interaction in society. Example of cultural influence. 1. Ways of greeting. In some cultures, such as in Japan, greeting with the respect is very important. Whereas in other cultures, such as American, it can be more casual. Experience of emotion. Different cultures have different ways to express an emotion. For example, Western culture may be more open, whereas Eastern culture are more reserved.
Okay, next B. The value of politeness in a culture. Definition of politeness. Politeness encompasses behaviors and communication that are considered polite in a given culture context. Example of politeness: the phrase collectivist culture. In Japan, it is important to maintain harmony and avoid confrontation, aviation, or politeness are highly fluid. Second, individualist culture. In the United States, it is more common to speak frankly and express opinions openly. C. Impact of cultural influence on communication. The phrase avoiding misunderstandings. Understanding difference in politeness norms can help reduce misunderstandings when interacting with people from different cultures. Second, communication adaptation. The knowledge of cultural values help individuals adapt to more appropriate ways of communicating, increasing communication effectiveness. Okay, next, conclusion. Interaction and empathy are key components in intercultural communication. Understanding cultural influence on the way people communicate, including the value of politeness, is essential for building good relationships and resolving conflict. In the context of the intercultural understanding course, it is important for students to develop cultural awareness and effective communication skill.
Okay, just our presentation